Who else? Somebody in there?
Yes, people in there.
Put the shit back. Put the shit back. Put the shit back. Did you buy it?
Huh?
Did you buy it?
I'm trying to buy it.
All right, put it back. Put everything back. Come on. Y'all robbing it?
Not even.
Come on. Everybody got to let go. Come on.
That's crazy.
Man, put the shit back.
I'm putting everything back.
Put everything back where it's supposed to be. We over here at Family Dollars. Put it back. Come on. Everybody got to go. Come on. You got to be a good neighbor, man. Come on, man. I'm making Buffalo look bad, right?
I'm at Family Dollars. I went to the ATM.
You good, bro. You good. You good. You just using the ATM. I understand, brother. Yo! Everybody in here got to go. You robbing the store? Come on. Everybody got to go. Put the stuff down and leave. Come on. Everybody got to go. Put the stuff down.
I'll give you the money.
Put the stuff down.
I'll give you the money.
Put the stuff down. No.
Put the money right here.
Ain't nobody working here. Come on. Put the stuff down.
All right, all right.
There we go.
I was going to give you the money.
Let's go. Put all the stuff down. Come on. Everybody got to go.
I was trying to see if something was working.
There's,
I'll give you the money.
I don't have, like,
I'll give you the money.
there ain't no money. Ain't nobody working here. Come on. Everybody got to go.
I'm getting out of here, but I wasn't trying to steal nothing. I was looking for a worker.
You got to get plywood. Close it, man. Making us look bad.
They destroyed the camera room.
Crazy.
Look at the camera room.
Put the stuff back. We gonna protect it out here.
What happened?
They broke into it.
Who are you? Are you a worker?
Yes.
You ain't a worker. You ain't a worker. Who's in there? Who's in there then?
We got you got some board. We could board it.
What? Who's in there?
You gotta put all the stuff back in there. People start just robbing it. Where you going?
Excuse me.
Where you going?
What you mean where I'm going?
You're the police inside, right?
I don't care.
All right. They're robbing Family Dollar over here. You think you walking out with anything? You ain't walking out with nothing. I'm locking the door on you. I'm locking the door on you. People try to rob Family Dollar. We try to protect. They're not going nowhere. I'm gonna lock them inside till the police come.
Fuck out my motherfucking face. You got me fucking up.
All right, come on. Let's go.
Matter of fact, I want these paper
All
towels.
right, go. Go, come on.
They don't mean, come on. I know, but still. I'm out of here. We're open. I don't give no fuck. The shit open. My shit's open.
Your employees are open?
This shit open. You know what? That's right. Just wait a second. Talk to people. They ain't supposed to be in there either.
There's more people in the back. There's more people in the back.
Where you going?
Huh?
Where you going?
I gotta go. What you doing?
Where you going?
You working?
Where you going? You want to buy something? We
I don't care
closed.
about buying it. I just need diapers.
No, we closed.
I see, but it's here. I don't care about paying for it.
No, they closed. We just protecting it. Everybody got to go.
I don't want to steal nothing. I don't want to steal nothing.
I know. But no one coming in.
Okay. How the hell they do this? I thought it was open.
No, it's closed.
You open the house?
They're robbing it.
No, they broke it. They broke the damn door. If they broke it, I know that's that. Yes, they're coming too.